Hi, welcome to YayHost video tutorial. Today, I will show you how to set up your email account on Microsoft Outlook 2010. First, start the Microsoft Outlook email application. Click onto the File menu. Under Info, choose Account Settings. And then click on Account Settings. Under the Email tab, click onto the New button. Select Manually Configure Server Settings, and then click onto the Next button to proceed. Here, select Internet, Email Service, and then click onto the Next button to proceed to the next step. During this step, you are required to enter your email settings. First, under User Information, you should enter your name and your full email address. Your name can be your full name. Which recipients of your email address will see this name appearing above the email subject. For this tutorial, I will use my demo email address as an example. You should fill in your full email address. Under the server information, you can select to use either the POP3 or IMAP protocol to set up your email account. POP3 will download your email contents into your computer, and delete the emails from the server after they are downloaded. This is good for archiving purpose. Whereas IMAP will synchronize your email contents with the mail server, leaving you available to view the same email contents from other devices. But, this will consume the online mailbox storage. Either way, you are encouraged to perform housekeeping on your mailbox, by deleting emails that you no longer required. I will recommend the POP3 setup for desktop email applications, such as Microsoft Outlook. My incoming mail server will be mail.yourdomain.com. You should replace your domain.com with the actual domain name. For example, if your domain name is abc.com, your incoming mail server will be mail.abc.com. The outgoing mail server will be same as your incoming mail server you entered above. Therefore, my outgoing mail server is mail.yourdomain.com, same as my incoming mail server example above. Next, under the Logon Information section, you are required to fill in your email login credentials. The username is your full email address, and password will be your email password. In this example, my email address is name@yourdomain.com. Therefore, my username is name@yourdomain.com. Tick on the Remember Password checkbox, if you do not want to enter your password each time you open the email application. After you are done, click onto the More Setting button. Go to the Outgoing Server tab. Tick onto the My Outgoing Server Requires Authentication checkbox. And then, select Use Same Settings as My Incoming Mail Server. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Here, you will fill in the correct incoming and outgoing mail server port number. The port number for POP3 with secure connection is 995, while the IMAP port number with secure connection is 993. Since I choose the POP3 mail protocol, my incoming port number is 995. After that, tick on the This server requires an encrypted connection checkbox to enable encryption. The SMTP port number for secure connection is 465. For type of encrypted connection, choose SSL. This will enable data encryption between your computer and the mail server. Under the delivery section, you can choose to leave a copy of the emails on the mail server. But you are advised to select to remove them after a certain number of days. After that, click onto the OK button to proceed. Click Next to proceed to the last step. Due to the secure encrypted connection selected, you will receive a security warning every time you open up the email application. Just click Yes to proceed. If all settings are correctly configured, it will show both the incoming and outgoing test status as completed. You may want to double-check the username and password you entered, if the test status shown as failed. Congratulations, now you have successfully set up your email account. Click onto the Finish button. Then close this menu. You can now send and receive email by using Microsoft Outlook. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have further inquiries. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.